Hi, I'm Stefan from Xtreme Group here at our booth at IBC 2022. And that very moment I'm here together with Oliver from Flow Works. Oliver, could you please introduce us to Flow Works as a company?
Hi Stefan. Look, Flow Works is a software manufacturer. We deal with media and we basically build wall-to-wall media workflows. We do that from a technical point of view, so we have a lot of engines ourselves. We integrate everything else that you might need, editing, QC, manage all of your storages, and basically run your files through the system from a technical point of view. And secondly, we do the same thing from an editorial point of view, so actually manage the media workflow itself, and of course formulate it.
What are the products that you are offering?
We offer a bunch of products. The core is a MAM, a media asset, or just a media management system. We also have a very strong integration part. We have a full-fledged workflow engine. We are growing in the area of publishing and really monetization at the end of the day. So publication in any channel, which is broadcast, VOD, web, we're growing strongly in that, social, etc., all as part of the end-to-end workflow is what we do, and those are the kind of main products we offer. But what's changing is the way we are formulating the product and the architecture behind that.
What are the typical projects that you are providing to your customers? So the use cases.
Yeah, use cases, I mean, it depends who you're looking at. We work for productions, post-productions, we work for broadcasters, we work for advertising agencies, for industry quite a lot. I mean, you know some of our brand names, Porsche, for example, Volkswagen, Audi, etc. We work for institutions, national libraries and the likes. We work for news agencies. Really anybody who has media and hence has media workflows.
When you have listened here to the show floor, what have you heard? What have your customers asking you for? What are the trending topics, their main needs in these days?
I think it's actually it's an old topic which has come back stronger. It's economy. They are quite price sensitive, to put it this way, and they are looking to clean up their environments. They want one system to pretty much do everything instead of having 5-6 different systems. That's a big trend. We have products to answer that, of course. We have that in the existing portfolio, but we're actually growing our portfolio to address price sensitivity.
So then, what are the newest releases? What are the newest achievements and products?
Well, put it this way, for a customer like Porsche or RTL or France TV, we run big operation, big server, a bit of cloud involved, lots of storages, bit of CDN involved. But the people we're trying to reach are really the smaller guys as well, because they wouldn't even have the money to buy a server, never mind the software, which we think is the more valuable part. So we're working hard to develop products based on our competence and all of the software that we have, packages it smaller and packages it more intelligently. And that's what we're doing now.
Then let's have a look for that boxes over there.
So as a first step, what we did was get rid of the server cost. We replaced the big server by the small server. That's a Flow Ant. That's a product we actually launched some time ago. Works well. It's small but powerful. So if you're a small environment, you're a small post-production, or even I had a client here who totally freaked out, said that's wonderful for me because I have mobile temporary productions and I need to take my archive along. So he loved it. Let's see if he buys it, and lots of them. So we did that, and now we went a step further and we said, if the people can't even afford a server, poor people, what can we do for them possibly? So we asked ourselves, what do these people have? Well, they have media, and they probably have storage. So we went and looked around, okay, what would they store it on? If you're a small production company, a really small post, you'd probably store it on one of these. This is not the high-end NAS system that you might find around here. This is, decent product. It's at least prosumer. I'd say it's definitely professional. And this one is made by QNAP, and there are others made by Synology. And the interesting thing is these guys have started putting CPUs and even GPUs into their storage environments. So we've taken our software and we squeezed it and we did things to it to make it even smaller, and we're now putting our software onto these boxes. That means we're the first MAM that doesn't need a server anymore. We've got the serverless MAM, and literally means the software lives on the storage. There's no more server, hence no more cost. It's for people who don't want to go for cloud storage, which is a lot of people because everybody realizes how expensive cloud storage is. And you basically rent this thing, at a very low cost. We're going to launch the prices soon, but the basic concept is if you're using something as Frame.io, you know roughly how much that costs. We're going to do a lot more from your workflow at a fraction of the cost, and that's the approach.
So when I want to get such a mum on a storage, is it that I would buy this complete appliance from you or the software only?
You'd only buy the software for us because you probably already have a QNAP, or you might have a Synology or one other make. And you'd simply go to our website, you'd check what are my needs, how big should the Flow Center be, my media management system, and you pick out one of our rental products, 3 basic sizes to start you off with. The really, I think, world record breaking low price is €30 a month. That's it.
Oliver, have many, many thanks for these insights and the newest developments. And if you are interested in a fully featured big mum, then make your way to our website extremegroup.com. If you are interested in the smaller ones or the storage box and the software on it, then also check out our website x-dream-group.com. In the product sections you will find all that information.